Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the paper feed roller on Canon I-Sensys Mf8030 model. So to replace it, first we need to rotate the axle to release the paper feed roller, to unlock it so we can replace it. To rotate the axle of the roller, press menu, then 2, 8, then again menu, and now we are in service mode. We need to be on computer, OK, then go to function, then go to VIFFNC, OK, then feeder roller change, FDRCHG, OK, and now the axle is rotating to unlock the position of the paper feed roller. Let's see what happens. Here is our paper feed roller. The axis is rotated and we are ready to replace it. How to take it out? These white clutches here, we need to press it this way outside, press and take it out. First from the bottom, then press the upper side and we are ready. And now finally just restart your device and you will have again a full working printer. So thank you very much, good luck.